Awning windows are a popular choice among homeowners in Fayetteville due to their versatility, energy efficiency, and ease of use. These windows open outward from the top, offering excellent ventilation even during rain. However, like any other window type, awning windows can encounter issues over time. Whether you've noticed a draft or difficulty opening or closing the window, it's essential to address these issues promptly to maintain the functionality and efficiency of your home. In this article, we will discuss common awning window problems and provide practical solutions to help you keep your windows in top shape. Difficulty opening or closing the window. One of the most common problems with awning windows is difficulty opening or closing them. This issue is typically caused by a malfunctioning window operator or worn-out hinges. How to fix it? Lubricate the hinges. Over time, the hinges or the window operator can become stiff or clogged with dirt and debris. Using a silicone-based lubricant on the hinges and moving parts can help restore smooth operation. Check for obstructions. Ensure that no dirt, debris, or paint has built up in the window tracks. Use a soft brush or cloth to clean the tracks and remove any blockages. Replace the operator or hinges. If lubrication and cleaning do not solve the problem, you may need to replace the window operator or hinges. These parts can wear out over time and may need to be replaced to restore proper functionality. Window leaks. Leaking awning windows can be frustrating, especially during rainy weather. Leaks are often caused by faulty seals or damaged weather stripping. How to fix it? Inspect the weather stripping. Check the weather stripping around the window for signs of wear or damage. If you notice cracks or gaps, replacing the weather stripping will help prevent leaks. Replace the window seal. If the window seal is damaged, moisture can enter the window frame. Removing the old seal and installing a new one can significantly improve the window's ability to prevent leaks. Caulk the edges. For additional protection against leaks, apply a high-quality, outdoor-rated caulk around the edges of the window. This will help create a watertight seal and prevent water from entering your home. Condensation between the panes. Another common issue homeowners face with awning windows is condensation between the glass panes. This can be frustrating as it can obscure your view and indicate that the window's seal has failed. How to fix it? Contact a professional. If condensation appears between the panes of glass, it typically means the window's seal has failed. Unfortunately, this issue cannot be fixed by the homeowner and will require professional help. A window technician can replace the glass unit or reseal the window, restoring its efficiency. Consider window replacement. In some cases, if the window is older and the seal failure is widespread, it may be more cost-effective to replace the entire window rather than just repairing the seal. Cracked or broken glass. Over time, awning windows can experience broken or cracked glass due to accidents, weather conditions, or age. This is not only an aesthetic issue but also a safety concern. How to fix it? Replace the glass. If you have a cracked or broken pane of glass, replacing it should be your top priority. If you're comfortable with DIY projects, you can remove the broken glass and install a new one yourself, ensuring you have the correct measurements and materials. Hire a professional. If you're not comfortable handling glass replacement, or if the damage is significant, it's best to call a professional window repair company. They will have the necessary tools and expertise to replace the glass quickly and safely. Damaged or worn out crank handle. Since awning windows are operated with a crank, the crank handle can wear out or break over time. A damaged crank can make it difficult to open or close the window properly. How to fix it? Replace the crank handle. Crank handles are usually easy to replace and can be purchased from most hardware stores. Make sure to select the right size and model to fit your window. Replace the entire operator. If the crank mechanism is damaged beyond repair, you may need to replace the entire operator. This can be done by following the manufacturer's instructions or consulting with a professional window technician. Poor insulation and draft. Another issue that homeowners face is poor insulation, which leads to drafts and energy loss. If your awning windows are not properly sealed, they can allow air to leak in and out of your home, reducing energy efficiency. How to fix it? Check for air leaks. To identify if your awning window is allowing drafts, close the window and run your hand around the edges. If you feel air escaping, you likely have a seal issue. Add insulation. Adding weather stripping or foam insulation around the edges of the window can help prevent air leakage and improve energy efficiency. Conclusion. Awning windows provide excellent ventilation and natural light, but like any window, they can encounter issues over time. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to common problems such as leaks, difficult operation, and damaged seals can help extend the life of your windows and keep your home comfortable. For complex issues like broken seals or glass, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional in Fayetteville to ensure your windows are fixed properly and safely. Taking care of your awning windows not only improves your home's energy efficiency but also maintains its curb appeal and functionality for years to come.